Two massive Komodo dragons fighting. Hello folks, welcome to a new video where I will show you some of the beautiful moments in nature that will help you relax. I hope this video will brighten your day and put a smile on your face. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Amuser channel. Let us start. An incredibly rare Mexican lizard. Amazingly fast turtle swim away in water. A giant sea turtle. Is this baby black bear dare to touch a human? Well, if yes, then the dare is completed. A killer whale uses a fish to go birding. A bobcat jumps over a river with a single leap. A panda hanging out at the top of a tree. A golden retriever waits patiently with bread under its mouth to catch fish in the wild. A spotted eagle ray. A sea otter making itself comfortable with a kayaker. A beautiful Arctic fox encounters a wildlife photographer. Jumping spiders are so fast at catching its prey. An absolute unit of a moose is spotted crossing a road in Alaska. A raccoon mother dragging her kid away from the road. A scuba diver encounters a rare megamouth shark. A baby red-tailed hawk intrigued by its reflection in camera. Pangolins are the only mammals in existence covered in scales. Oak processionary caterpillars know how to form a line and even merge. A raw velvety malachite, which is an oxidized copper ore. Two endangered golden monkeys hugging each other. A group of parrots nesting inside a palm tree. Something behind the moon? An astronomer captured another planet emerging from behind the moon. That is all for this video. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments which part you liked the most. Don't forget to subscribe to Amuser channel if you would like to see more such videos. Later folks.